Bienvenidos Vibe Tribers. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you are liking it up, comment down below, smash that subscribe button, and if you are not new here, welcome back. Y'all already know how it is over here. It's a vibe. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I am getting ready to hop in the shower, and then I have to go to the store and grab some breakfast food, and then we are going to the park, I'm assuming. But come along and make sure y'all get us to our goal of 1K subscribers. We are 195 subscribers away from that. Okay, so this is what I want to wear. It's going to be something comfortable. My crop top and these pants. Okay, and then this is Ida. What Ida's gonna wear. Her Lilo and Stitch outfit.
My pets.
This is her Lilo and Stitch pants.
Yes.
This is Ariel, her blue shirt. Ariel's shorts. Ava's gonna wear some blue jean shorts with her pink and purple shirt. And Molly's gonna wear her biker shorts with her glittery London and Paris.
I am gonna wear my stick.
With her glittery London and Paris shirt.
Mommy,
I am dressed and headed to the store. Y'all, it's almost 100 degrees out here. It's officially summer vacation for the kids. School is out yesterday, which was Thursday. My kids, that was their last official day of school. Today, they have Rocket Day. So Rocket Day basically at their school is when if the kids at the end of the school year or the end of the semester have A's, B's, or C's, have all of their homework done, and don't have any mandatory testing that needs to be done, they can go to Rocket Day, which that consists of like the K-12 zone, a dance party, talent show, different things that happen during those Rocket Day. Every Rocket Day is different, but that's what the kids did. And with that, the reward to that is that the kids don't have to go. It's their option. They don't have to go. If they don't want to go, they don't have to go. And today, Ariel and Ava, they slept through most of their classes, most of those activities throughout the day. Malia, she got up and I told her to get in the K-12 zone, but she didn't want to get in there, so she just watched on her phone or watched on a computer, which was fine with me because they don't have any homework that they have to catch up on, and it's summer vacation for them, technically. Ariel got up at the end. She was able to get in the K-12 zone a little bit and see the talent show, and I think the dance party. That's what she went to. But right now, yeah, I just made it to the store. From the store, I got eggs and avocado, and then the ham is in the bag. Now I'm going to the tortilla place. I bought the tortillas. I'm on my way home so I can make us some breakfast. I'm trying to be more consistent with my longer videos because I usually do shorts, reels, but I need to get into doing longer videos. It's just that I'm the one that does all the posting, all the editing, and it all. So outside of being a content creator, I am an ESL tutor. I do have another job. I do have a family. So it's like, oh my goodness, this is not my full-time job. So I have to work with basically what I got. And the shorts and reels is easier for me to edit versus long videos. But the advantage right now, because I want to be so consistent, summer vacation is here. So it's no reason why I can't post longer videos. And I think that's what I'm going to do. And then when school does pick back up, then I'll just have to do my shorts and my reels. We're gonna see how this goes. Y'all come help us hit our goal of 1K subscribers. We're 195 subscribers away from 1K. Back home, I'm gonna wash the dishes. It was only a little bit of dishes left from last night. Hold on, Aiden. Let me finish talking to Aiden and I'll help you. I'm gonna crack about 8 eggs. 6, 7, 8. Maybe one more. Actually, no, that's good. The eggs are done. We are finally in the car, headed to the park. Everybody, kids, say hey. Bluebell is pouting. Yeah, right.
Daddy, this is not soda pop.
Well, that's the song that it came after Full Soda Pop.
We have a little more ways to go before we get there.
En 500 metros, gira a la derecha.
We have arrived. Look at this big tree. You see the horse? You want some water? Here, let me give you some water. Ida needed a water break. Y'all, this is a complete workout. We just started and we got a long ways to go. We are getting ready to go to the bathroom. Y'all, I am excited. We have a week until we are headed to Texas for my little cousin's graduation. Oh, and then we're spending Amalia's birthday there as well. We're planning a birthday party for Amalia's 10th birthday. Exciting. This is a sign showing us all the birds that are supposedly here. I think we just seen one of the birds. Come on.
This one is right there. And
The black one.
Mommy, I'm done drinking this water.
Well, hold it and I'll get it when we go back up there.
Daddy! Mommy, this is supposed to be a spinner. It doesn't even spin.
Okay. We're going to the castle.
Look, they got some bells up there. They got the flagpole.
Oh, they're painting different sculptures. You got scared, didn't y'all? We just got done taking pictures for Aria's kindergarten graduation. I have an official first grader, fourth grader. Ida's not in school yet. And then Ava is going to be in the second grade.
Okay. Look at that too.
We're going to find another spot to take pictures, or we're going to keep looking, right?
I don't know. You say you want to come there. Right there. You see this shit?
Into there?
Into the dirt, yeah, right there.
Kind of does
And
look like a tunnel.
like it
Ida,
fits
don't do that. Ida, don't.
like a whole street and shit.
Daddy,
Come on. Let's go.
it's so
Oh, there's no need for me to do that?
It's raining. Oh my goodness, it's raining.
Like, it smells so good. Like the wood just got shot.
Go, go, go. There's the horses. All right, this is the end of our video. Everybody say adios. Bye. Get us to our goal of 500 likes on this video and our goal of 1K subscribers. We are 195 subscribers away from there. If you have not subscribed, smash that subscribe button.